Okay, we're looking at a model 3595P from 2008. I believe it was June of 08. Let me look. Yep. See if the camera will pick that up. Focus. There we go. And 3595P from 2008. So this one's kind of a special unit. It is an Elite Series machine, so it would have came with the 373P remote and a 398LM smart control panel. This was the earlier version of these Elite Series machines because this one is actually special because it still has the 2 capacitor setup with that motor setup. This one I got new in box recently. It came to me in the foam. It was looked like to be good condition until I opened it up and examined it closer, and both the logic board end panel and the end panel opposite of the logic board were cracked and broken. Right now I've got them super glued back together. I do have some new ones coming for replacement panels, but they have blank labels. So what we're going to try and do is I'm going to try and heat the labels up on these, peel them off, and re-stick them to the new unit, so you'll never be able to tell that it was ever replaced. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if Sam's Restoration can fix it. But here for the video, I just wanted to show you, this is what I have. This is what it presents itself as. If you look in there, under the brace, the chain spreader is also there. It literally came with everything but the remote, sensors, and the wall control and the sensor brackets. It did give me the extension brackets, though. They did. But we'll run it. I just want you to hear how quiet this really is and how these should sound. Here we go. Maybe. Nice, quiet machine. So obviously from sitting, it's got a little bushing noise, but as for the hum of the motor, that's how they should sound in my opinion. Not some obnoxious hum or anything like that. This is probably prior to when they went to China motors. At some point at the late run of these, they went to made in China motors, and they're very hard to detect, but if you know what you're looking for, you can find them. But anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. Maybe I'll give you an update when I put the new end panels on. We'll see. That's it. Have a good one.